First Progress secured credit cards, including the Platinum Prestige, Platinum Select, and Platinum Elite, are designed for people with poor, limited, or no credit history who need a path to start rebuilding. Approval is straightforward, with no minimum credit score requirement and no automatic rejection for past bankruptcies. Your credit limit is tied to a refundable security deposit between $200 and $2,000, giving flexibility based on how much you can put down. All three cards report to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, so consistent, on-time payments can directly help improve your credit profile. Some versions even offer 1% cash back on purchases, which is rare for secured cards, and the Platinum Prestige offers a lower APR than many credit-building cards, though it comes with a slightly higher annual fee. The downsides mostly come down to costs and limitations. Each card has an annual fee ranging from $29 to $49, which is taken from your available credit right away. There's no upgrade path to an unsecured card, so once your credit improves, you'll need to close the account to get your deposit back, something that can temporarily impact your score. Payment processing can be slow, sometimes taking up to 10 business days, which makes planning ahead crucial. Customer service is limited, with a heavy reliance on online and mail-based communication, and the 3% foreign transaction fee makes it a poor choice for overseas spending. In short, First Progress cards can be a good fit for someone who can't get approved elsewhere and values a low barrier entry into credit building. They work best for those who can pay their balance in full each month, make payments early to avoid processing delays, and don't mind paying a small annual fee for the chance to rebuild credit responsibly. The key risk is that without an upgrade option, this card is a temporary stepping stone, and carrying a balance or mismanaging payments can offset any progress made.